The volunteer effort today was outstanding. Over 100 volunteers came out to the Mariella Brown Resource Center, and we cleaned up this neighborhood. And that was on the back end of all the other beautification efforts that took place out here with graffiti abatement, sign replacement, tree trimming earlier this week. So very, very happy with the turnout, a lot of excitement in the neighborhood, and a lot of people saying thank you.
We have young, we have old, we have middle age, we have kids all coming in, volunteering. We even have some good background music playing as they do their efforts, so it's been a really good vibe.
It was actually really rewarding. They really enjoyed it. It was something that they haven't done before in the past, and something I've done in the past, and I wanted to bring that experience to them, and really just give something to give back, and find a way to help out as much as we can, especially since we are from Fresno, so we're local here. We're not too far from here, and it was a great experience overall. They really enjoyed it, and we want to keep doing it.
The folks that come out here every single Saturday, that's exciting. To know that they're giving up their Saturday, come out and clean up a part of Fresno that they don't even live in. And that's really what we need to be focused on as a city, no matter where we live. We are one Fresno, neighborhood by neighborhood, we need to clean them up.
This is the best part of Fresno, is seeing Fresnans come together on a Saturday morning and clean up their city. And West Fresno is a place for us today. And we're making sure that West Fresno, the corner of the city, is as clean as North Fresno is today.
Beautify Fresno!